Optimize your desk space with the CORSAIR XENEON dual-arm monitor stand. The stand is easy to assemble and durable with its aluminum construction and adjustable gas spring arm to create an ergonomic, flexible setup to find your ideal viewing position. Starting off with some basic specs, the dual-arm monitor stand is compatible with displays up to 32 inches and weighs just under 10 pounds with the capacity to hold up to 19.8 pounds on each arm. The mounting styles include both a clamp or grommet style depending on what fits best to your desk. Clamping the stand will fit desks that are from 10mm to 65mm in thickness. Grommet style mount will fit desks of 10mm to 36mm in thickness. Before assembling it, check to make sure you have all the hardware included in the box. Now to begin, Step 1. Adhere the pad to the base of the clamp. Also use the provided 4mm Allen key to loosen, adjust, and tighten the clamp to the position and size that best suits your desk thickness. And when ready, clamp the base onto your desk. Step 2. Insert the base arms. To achieve 180-degree lockout function, fully tighten the screw to the base with the provided 2mm Allen key, then back out one full turn. To achieve 360-degree lockout function, turn the arm to the opposite side of the base, and fully tighten the screw to the base with the 2mm Allen key, then back out one full turn. Insert and connect the upper arms and VESA bracket into the base arms and fasten the screw with the 2mm Allen key to adjust the tightness and rotation to your liking. Step 3. Attach and secure the screws to the back of your VESA-compatible monitor. Do not fully screw down the screws as you'll need them to hook into the VESA bracket on the arms. Step 4. Carefully hook the monitor onto the VESA mount and tightly install screws into the bottom 2 holes, then tighten the top 2 screws. Step 5. You may use the cable management channels to route and hide your HDMI or DisplayPort cables. You'll also want to use the provided 5mm Allen key to adjust the tension in the arm based on the weight of the monitor. Clockwise direction for heavier monitors and counterclockwise for lighter monitors. And that's it for how to set up the CORSAIR XENEON monitor stand. Thanks for watching.